Hi children, good morning. Next topic is vitamin deficiency diseases. See, what are vitamins? Vitamins are organic substances. These are also called as micronutrients, which requires to our body in very less quantity. Next, the sources of vitamins to our body is through two ways. One is through diet, another one is bacteria present in the intestine. These are the two ways to getting vitamins. The study of vitamins are called vitaminology. Who was the founder of vitaminology? Casimir Funk. Casimir Funk. He was the father of vitaminology. Next, vitamins are classified into two categories. One is water soluble vitamins. Second one is fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. For this, I have written on code. Code is WBC. W means water. B and C means vitamin B and vitamin C. Next, the second category is the fat soluble vitamins. These are four types: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. For this, I have given one code. Code is FADIC. FADEK. FADIC means here I have to take small gap. F after ADEK. Vitamins are ADEK. These are fat soluble vitamins. Means based on solubility, vitamins are classified into two types: water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. These are the vitamins. Next one is name of the vitamin and disease. Many vitamins are there. See what we discussed before. Vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The persons will get beriberi disease. Beriberi. Sir, what is beriberi? What are the symptoms? Paralysis and less appetite, difficulty breathing. These are the symptoms. The person who got beriberi. Second one is vitamin B2. Chemical name is riboflavin. The person is getting glossitis. Glossitis means cracking mouth, the corners of mouth, cracks at the mouth corner. That is about glossitis. Next one, vitamin B3. Chemical name is niacin. Disease is pellagra. Pellagra means pellagra, diarrhea, loose motions, scaly skin, skin becomes swollen or red in color. That is pellagra. Next one, vitamin B6. Chemical name is pyridoxine. The person is getting anemia. Anemia means vomitings, vomits, and fits. Next one, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. The person will get pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia means the person becomes lean and weak and less appetite. Appetite means hungry. Okay, the person has less hungry, less appetite. Next, the folic acid. Next vitamin is folic acid. Anemia. Here anemia means loss of leukocytes, white blood cells, and some intestinal mucus problems. Okay. Next one, pantothenic acid. Burning feet. Okay. Burning feet means some members they get muscle pains, joint pains while walking. Okay, that is about folic acid. Next one, folic acid anemia means folic acid anemia, loss of leukocytes, white blood cells, and intestinal mucus problems. Next vitamin is pantothenic acid, that is a burning feet, muscle pains, joint pains belongs to burning feet. Finally, biotin, nervous disorders, the person going into depression, mental depression. Okay, these all are combined together called as B complex vitamin. These are all vitamins grouped together form B complex vitamins. See vitamin B1 beriberi, B2 riboflavin glossitis, B3 niacin pellagra, vitamin B6 pyridoxine anemia, B12 cyanocobalamin pernicious anemia, folic acid again anemia, pantothenic acid burning feet, biotin nervous disorders. These are the disease names and their symptoms. Next, in this water soluble vitamin is next one, vitamin C. Okay, chemical name is ascorbic acid. The person will get scurvy. Scurvy means bleeding, blood from gums. Okay, extreme weakness. Next one, delaying healing of wounds, delaying healing of fracture of bones. That is about vitamin C. These total vitamins belongs to water soluble vitamins, vitamin B and vitamin C. Next concept is fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Code is FADIC. See name of the vitamin and disease. Name of the vitamin and disease. See vitamin A, chemical name is retinol. Diseases, eye and skin diseases. Eye disease means night blindness, xerophthalmia, cornea failure, skin becomes dry and scaly. That disease is called eye and skin diseases. Next one, vitamin D, calciferol. Chemical name is calciferol. The person will get rickets. Rickets means knock knees, improper formation of bones, delay in dentition. These are the symptoms. Next one, vitamin E, tocopherol. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. Fertility disorders. Fertility disorders. Okay, in females, abortions. In males, females, abortions. In males, sterility. Due to deficiency of vitamin E, the person will get sterility in males, abortions in females. The last vitamin is vitamin K, phylloquinone. Phylloquinone. The person will get blood clotting, delayed blood clotting, and over bleeding. the person will get blood clotting, overbleeding. Some members see when they will get wounds, blood is flows from their body, do not stops. That is called overbleeding. Okay, and delay in blood clotting. What are the symptoms? Delay in blood clotting and overbleeding. Delay in blood clotting and overbleeding. These are the facts on the vitamins and their diseases. Okay, thank you.